All right, so we are all in the new car, headed to the zoo. This is my mom. She's ready for her flight. Yeah, she came a week ago. She's leaving Friday. 20-hour flight.
Yeah.
We got Mariam, Marwa, Sido. So what's your favorite animal, Marwa?
I like koala and turtle.
Turtle, one, two. Ooh. Mariam, what's your favorite animal?
Elephant and turtle.
Elephant and turtle, good job. Sido, what's your favorite animal?
Monkey.
Monkey!
Hello, rock me, mo rock.
Okay, okay, let's go. All right, sit down, let's go. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bobby,
Benar sudah benda?
Bobby,
yeah.
this car broken.
Car broken? Okay, it's okay. All right, we're headed to the zoo. We're about 45 minutes out. All right, see you over there.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, so we are here at the zoo. It's definitely a bit different setup than what we have in most zoos. Price is unique. It's 20 liras per car. So we literally spent $1.50, so $1.50 to get the whole family into the zoo, which is extremely cheap. This is probably the cheapest zoo, most likely in the world. So we'll see how it goes. We'll show you the more videos of the animals and stuff. And the other thing that's also a cool setup here is that it has a picnic table. So you have a park before you get to the actual zoo part. So you can park outside and have a picnic table outside the zoo, and then come in and do the zoo piece. So let me turn the camera around, let you take a look at it and see what you think. Sido, Sido, bisa san. Sido, babaya bak, look at Baba. Camera turned off, so here we are again. Freaking GoPro tent. But anyways, we got a bunch of peacocks here. Nothing fancy. You see these in pet stores. Oh, hey buddy. What's some food? I don't know if you can see, but it's like a what is it called? It looks like a cat, but it's not a cat. Shoot, forgot the name right now. There's another one right there, under the bench. Alright, so not the greatest zoo in the world, not the most average zoo in the world. It's more like a park with animals in it. So I'm starving. There's a kids park across the street that has a bunch of theme park roller coasters in it. So maybe I'm thinking we grab lunch, then go over there and wrap up the day. We got a lot of packing to do because mom is leaving Friday and we're leaving right after her. Hit the road trip to Istanbul, and we have 2 stops on our way before we get to Istanbul. 1 night stay, halfway there, 4 hours drive. I do my best not to drive more than 5 hours, 4 hours, because the streets here are not the you know, safest streets, a lot of one-way streets, a lot of truck drivers. So I try to drive just during daytime and just park and continue next day, especially since hotel is so cheap. And we use points to book a double trip, and it was 10,000 points for a double trip, which is, you know, pretty good. All right, camera cut off because it got too hot again. GoPro, you're killing me. 800 bucks camera, you're killing me. All right, so I think I was talking about the resort. So we've been there before. It's a really nice area. I think you guys will like it. It's kind of hidden. Doesn't show up on a lot of the search engines if you're holiday tours. So I think you'll definitely like it. I'm officially done with the zoo tour. Waiting for the crew to get here while I cool off and go get something to eat because I'm starving and we got a lot of packing to do. All right, let's see if we can go get something to eat. All right, we are at our favorite restaurant, Mangal Evi. Tahta Kale. The lahmacun is good here. The kebabs are good. The soups are amazing. They have the best yogurt in town. They make the yogurt themselves, and they also have breakfast. Time to eat. I'm starving. So what I like here is you can have a table for a whole family here, covered. You got a fan as well, so when it gets really hot, you can sit out here, or you can sit here. Mom can't sit on the floor, so we're gonna be sitting here. All right, let's see what we're gonna have. Lahmacun, appetizers, salad, kids meal,
Ayran istemem var ya Fanta. Bir ayran
Cheese
daha
pizza.
çok.
I want that.
Bir Fanta.
Sido.
Kıs.
Look,
Here comes the kebabs, non-spicy Urfa kebab.
I'm hungry so much.
Baba yoğurda bakıyor.
It's very thin.
Çiğde babaannem ne mi sonra?
It's pretty much pizza without pizza dressing.
Look,
Pizza sauce. Alright guys, so we are at the park finally. It's our first time here, so let's see what they got. So far pretty empty, very few people here, but it's a weekday and it's still early, so school just got out probably like 30-40 minutes ago. So it looks like we got a water park right behind us. Alright, it's the water park. You got a lot of tables there. This one goes all the way down, so we'll check it out. You got sand. People can play with the trucks. You got a huge slide. Check this one out. You got a big slide right there. That one's pretty big. It's up there. And they have so many paddings for when you come down. So it must be pretty hardcore. All right. I hear my kids. Playground. They got a tent, jumping, trampoline, I guess you can call it. They got a little blow up castle for folks to jump on. Got an ice cream store right in front of me. I'm gonna turn this around so you can check it out. One of the things you'll notice in Turkey, they will do all they can not to cut a tree. And this is a perfect example where they put a road right around it and let the two trees alone. Pretty good idea. Looks like the ride from the top, from the bottom comes around. Looks like some kind of individual roller coaster. Yeah, there you go. Yep. One person is brave enough to do it. It's really slow. It's got its own brakes and stuff. Yeah, this is not the safest thing in the world, especially if somebody bumps you from the back, like my idiot cousins. Took me off track. I almost died. All right, so the Lion Safari, it's got like a list of regulations and rules. It's 100 lira per person, 50 lira for a pack of meat, like a little tiny meat, and then you have to stay in the cage while they walk around you, jump on it and stuff like that, even if they take a piss on you and stuff like that. You can't do video, you can't do pictures, you have to buy their stuff, and that's another 300 to 500 lira. So I was like, all right, forget about it. Just us going there with the whole family and the kids and stuff like that would end up costing about 100, 150 bucks, which is a lot of freaking money for, you know, one tiger and lion and a couple of cubs. So good idea from outside, but staying in the box, can't do anything, everything costs money, so we're good, we'll skip it. If I could video it, I would have done it, no problem. And I try to tell them, like, we're on the same team, you know, it's just gonna help you, it's gonna go on YouTube, and I'll pay for the pictures and stuff like that. Whatever the cost is, I'll pay for it. I don't need the pictures, just at least give me some time to video it. He wouldn't do it, so no go on this one. So back to the other side of the park, see what else we got. We got more seating area with cafe and restaurant. You got a place where you can ride a horse, that's pretty cool. You got 2 people doing it right now. That's pretty cool. So I had to drop the quality of the recording on the GoPro from was it 5.3, 5.7K, which apparently is the new quality, to got a little friend right here, to 1080, 1080p to keep the battery from overheating. Friends coming along. You got 2 more over there. Looks like they're twins. Just about identical twins. All right, let's continue exploring. Orman restaurant here. Outdoor seating area. Oh, pink, blue, and yellow frog. That's a first. Where's the green one? No green frog? Come on, guys. So they're trying to build some kind of water system over there. This is a nice area. Tea, coffee, it's really nice. Very well. We're back to where we started, ice cream shop. The zip line finishes here. It's a long zip line. All right, guys, that's it for the park. That's a wrap. Definitely better experience than the zoo, even though it costs more money.